Did you ever wonder how Metro Boomin and Future make aggressive trap beats just like this one? I'm gonna show you guys an easy 5-step formula to nailing the dark trap sound every single time. So if you're wondering who I am, my name is VisionEXE. I've worked with artists such as Roddy Ricch, G Herbo, Doughboy. I've worked with producers such as Southside, DJ Mustard, Q Beats. I definitely know a little bit about that dark trap sound. To make this beat today, I will be using the Oblivion preview pack, which you can download for free in the description. Our first step is gonna be pretty unconventional. We're gonna start with the drums. I know everybody normally starts with the samples, but I think you all saw the video Metro Boomin talking about starting with the drums.
Today is often slept on by the younger generation, the power of starting with your drums first and securing a for sure bounce that's gonna work.
So let's give it a try. We're gonna go to the Oblivion pack and look for the drum collection and drum loop collection. Right now I'm 140, but I think I'm gonna go to like 130 around there. So you can see we have like drum loops here. And I'm just gonna cut some out, and I'm not gonna use the whole drum loop. I'm just gonna cut out some drum samples and some parts, you know. Something like this. It's gonna be pretty unconventional. Now we're gonna look for some drum sounds. We also have in the drum collection the hi-hat loop and MIDI collection, and you can go and try out some MIDI hi-hats. So this is pretty like bouncy right now. I'm actually gonna use clone this maybe and do 2-step. And just gonna make this a lot more quiet. And go in and fix this up. I kind of want to try turning this into like a perk. So we're gonna select our pattern, press Ctrl, Alt and C, and bounce this out. And now we have like the audio file, and we can manipulate the audio file a little bit and see what we can come up with. So this is like our bass drum groove. We're gonna go in later, fix it up a little bit, you know. What I wanna do now is step 2, build our melodies, our sample. To do this, I'm gonna go to the Slayer pack production suite from Cymatics, and we're gonna use one-shots to kinda build that. Let's try with sine wave. I'm gonna fix up the envelope, give it a little bit of text so it doesn't click, and then a little bit of release. Right now we're in C minor, and we're looking for something dark, not horror, but like something pretty grimy. We actually kind of like this. Now I'm gonna go through some one-shots, find something that sounds a little bit better. So to break down the melody, pretty simple. If we really break it down to its basic score, it's just like an F minor and F minor sus2. So this is the main chord. So this is what the pattern would look like, which is like F, which is the 4th note in the C minor, the 4th chord in the C minor, and sus2 version of it. And then just some notes to bounce off, you know, to make it like turn it into a melody. So this is super repetitive, but that's exactly what we're going for. And to get like that kind of dark feel, using like half steps is always like very nice because they give that scary feel. Staying on one chord helps a lot with the repetitiveness and that getting that dark sound. It still sounds a little bit dry and stuff, but I'm gonna process this one a little bit now. This should actually be step 3 processing, but I'm gonna do it everything on the go right now. Cymatics memory, this occasional glitch preset is just chef's kiss. Also gonna use illusion. And don't like the low end. I'm gonna look for a layer now, so we're just gonna duplicate that, copy the MIDI, and we're just gonna look for a different one shot and see how that sounds. Okay, kind of like this now. So now we have like the backbone of our melodies done. So I'm gonna lay down an 808. I'm definitely gonna use this one. The sound is so sick. Okay, so the 808 is gonna be simple like this, nothing crazy. So now we're gonna finish the drums. I like this. Might go down on the velocity. Oh yeah. If you ask yourself why I'm reversing this polarity, I'm just trying to see if the kick hits better if I flip it. I like this actually, I know it's weird. So this is the drums pretty much. We still need to mix them. That's gonna be a later step, so let's first up finish the melody. I'm gonna go into the Oblivion pack and go to the melody loops. These are normal loops. But I want to go into the stems and just pick out some stems, and I think we can find something here. So we have like a vocal right here, which we could just pick, and then we could lay this down. Easy. Kind of want to space it out a little more. And I'm going to use mid-side matrix to push it a little bit in the sides. Might actually try taking this, you know? I think this could be cool. Okay, so the pattern is pretty much done. So step 1 was drums, step 2 is samples, or like the melody part. 3 would be like processing. We kind of did that on the way. Step 4 would be mixing, so let's do this. I'm just gonna level these real quick. I think I actually might try to use a different 808. So now we have a nice pattern. The mix is pretty decent. Now it's gonna be the last step, step 5, arrangement. For the arrangement, we want a simple intro, nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna delete all the drums. If you wanna catch the attention of the listener, you can start with the drums instantly. I think I'm just gonna use this as an intro and just call it a day right here. So for the arrangement, we have an intro with drums. We instantly want to catch the attention of the listener. And that's why we start with the drums, goes into the beat instantly, no 32 bar long intro. We instantly drop into the hook. We have 2 parts of the hook. This is the whole hook. So this right here is the first part. We are missing the hi-hat. We got both melodies playing. We got the vocals in there. The only thing we're missing is the lead and the hi-hats. We have like a loud full hook, which like makes it stand out a little bit. We have the second part of the hook, which is right here. We bring back the hi-hat and take out one of the melodies. We like take a little bit away from the hook, from the like fullness, and add the backbeat, like the backbone of the rhythm with the 2-step hi-hat back to give it a little more like speed and a little bit more agency. We go into the hook, we slow down the whole beat a little bit by taking out the main melodies right here and just introducing the lead. We bring back the 808. with this little... We purposefully leave out like the main melodies for the verse, just to give it more space, to give like the artist something to work with. And then it drops back into the hook and repeats. So we have like the hook again right here, then the verse again, and the quick outro. So some tips for the arrangement would just be catch the attention, have like a dedicated hook and verse part, strip down the beat back a little bit in the verse to leave a little more space, have the hook be a little bit fuller, a little bit more memorable than like the verse part, and pretty much it. I aimed for like 3 minutes. This is like perfectly on time. So this is gonna be the arrangement, which is the 5th step. So just to recap, step 1 would be making the drums, 2 would be adding melodies, 3 would be processing them and bringing everything together, finding the final pattern. Step 4 would be mixing, leveling, getting it to sound good, and then step 5 would be arrangement. I actually, out of fun, put a like a Metro Boomin Future Weekend acapella over this, and this kind of sounds nice, I'm not gonna lie. And before we play the finished product, you can definitely check out the Oblivion preview pack. You saw it in action today. You can get that for free in the description. 200 royalty-free samples, perfect for the style, as you could see. And this is how our beat turned out at the end.
We still don't trust you. We still don't trust you.
If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.